Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 22 of the 30-day stretching challenge. Today, we have a dynamic full body flow. You will need a mat for this one or some soft carpet. When you're ready, meet me in a comfortable seated position. Legs can be crossed or out in front of you, whatever is more comfortable. Allow your hips to settle on the mat. With every inhale, sit up tall through the crown of the head. With every exhale, allow your shoulder blades to slide down your back. Starting off with some side bends. So today's practice is going to be a little bit more dynamic, a little bit more movement between poses, just to help get the blood flowing, do something a little bit different for a change, and leave you feeling very relaxed and refreshed. So inhale to reach up. Exhale to reach over, side bend, look up. Inhale, fingertips up, and exhale, side bend. One more time each side. Inhale, reach up. Side bend over to the right. And sit up tall. Side bend over to the left. Let's take a twist. Inhale to sit up nice and tall. And exhale, reach the left fingertips forward, right fingertips back. Inhale to reach up. And we'll switch over and go the other way. One more time each side. Inhale and twist. And inhale and twist. Reach your fingertips up. If you have your legs crossed, just go ahead and switch the crossing. This time we're going to inhale, fingertips up. Clasp your hands behind your back. Give yourself a little back bend, look up. And on your exhale, round your back, look down. One more like that. Inhale, look up. And exhale, round. This time we inhale, reach up. Side bend over to the right. And take a whole little clock walk. I don't know what you call this, but walk your hands out in front of you, almost like you're the hands of a clock, stretching all through the sides of your body here as you come all the way over to the left side. And then we'll come back to the other side. You get to the right, reach fingertips up, side bend over to the left. And once again, walk your fingertips out in front of you like the hands of a clock. Awesome. Reach up through the fingertips, and let's come into an all fours position for some cat-cow. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, drop the belly, gaze forward and up. Exhale to round and look down. A couple more of these at your own speed. Inhale and exhale. Finding some stillness. Thread the needle. Inhale to reach the right fingertips up. Exhale to thread that arm through the hole underneath your left arm. Stay here, or for a little bit more, you can reach your left fingertips up to the sky, or perhaps let the fingertips travel down your back, really opening through that left shoulder. Last breath here. Inhale, reach up. Plant the palm. Right fingertips reach up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, sit your hips back. Reach back. Big arm circles here. And we'll take one more. And finding some stillness, switch over to the other side. Left fingertips reach up. Exhale, thread the left arm through and under. Stay here, or right fingertips come up to the sky. Or perhaps they travel down your back to help open through the right shoulder. Wherever you are, take a few deep breaths in and out. Last breath in. Plant your right palm, press yourself up, arm circles. Reaching through the fingertips as you sit your hips back, reaching forward and up. Awesome. Plant both palms. Tuck your toes. Lift your hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Bend your knees a lot. Pedal out the feet, waking up through the backs of the legs and the arches and the toes. Begin to find some stillness. Press through the palms, engage the arms. We're going to shift forward into plank, engaging the core. Pause for a breath. Bend the knees, shift back, downward facing dog. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhaling to come forward into plank. Bend the knees, shift back, down dog. Last time, inhaling forward into plank. And shifting back, bending the knees. This time we're going to come forward to plank and then lower all the way down, nice and slow. So you can tap your knees if you need to, or just slowly with control, activating those triceps. Come all the way down. Untuck your toes. Take your hands out wider than shoulders distance. Tent your fingertips. We're going to come into one of my favorite stretches. I've heard it called dragon waves before, so that's what I'm going to call it. Press firmly into the tops of your feet. Press into the palms. The last thing to lift is your head. So first comes the shoulders. And then as you reach the top, you unravel, open your chest, lift your head, and then slowly come back down again. So think of it almost like you're making a wave with the upper body. Pressing into the palms to lift, to unravel, to open, and then exhale. Come all the way down. Let's try for 2 more like that. And last one. Beautiful. Hands come underneath the shoulders. Press yourself up and back, child's pose, knees go wide. Make this an active child's pose. So when you arrive, allow your hips to settle and your fingertips to reach forward. So you really feel a stretch through the sides of the body. And maybe you rock your hips from side to side here. All right. Downward dog. Shift forward, all fours, tuck your toes, hips back. Oh, my mat is getting very slippery. From here, taking some knees to nose. So three-legged dog, reach your right foot back and up. Inhale. Exhale, bring your knee towards your nose, round your upper back. Exhale. Two more like that. Inhale to reach up and back. Keep your hips level. Exhale, crunch it forward, knee to nose. Strong through the arms. One more, just like that. Inhale. And exhale. Awesome. Step the foot forward now. Drop the back knee, coming into a lunge. Allow your hips to settle here. And then on your inhale, reach your fingertips up. And let's take a twist. Hands come to prayer at your heart. And then hook the left elbow over your right knee, coming into a twist. Stay here for a little bit of challenge. See if you can tuck your toes and lift your back knee. It's okay if you have to stay with your knee lowered. That is totally fine. This is extremely hard. Last breath in. Plant your palms and shift yourself back, downward facing dog. Let's do that on the other side. Inhale, reach the left leg up and back. Exhale, knee to nose, round the back. Two more, just like that. Inhale to reach. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale. And this time, take it knee to nose. And step the foot forward, lower the back knee, untuck the toe. Take a breath here. And when you're ready, inhale, fingertips reach up and take a twist. Palms into prayer. Right elbow hooks over left knee. Stay here or see if you can tuck those back toes under and lift the back knee. I am in danger of rolling down this hill. Take a full deep breath in and a full deep breath out. All right, listen close. Hands come back to the mat. And this time, step yourself forward, forward fold. Give yourself a nice deep bend in the knees here. Maybe your chest even rests on your thighs. That's totally fine. You can shift your hips from side to side here, or you can be still. On your next breath, hands come to hips. Slowly roll yourself up to a standing position. When you get there, let's take some shoulder rolls. Inhaling to squeeze your shoulders up to your ears and exhale to drop them down and back. Let's do a few of these. And as your shoulder rolls become bigger, start to get your elbows involved until your entire arms are opening. Awesome. One more. Release your hands down to your sides. Okay, standing figure four. So shifting gears a little bit. Maybe you want to shake out your legs a little bit. See if I can do this without rolling down the hill. So shift your weight into your left leg. Right ankle comes over right knee. Fix your gaze on a stationary point and see if you can slowly sink your hips down toward the ground. Your hands can be on a chair or to your hips or to prayer, whatever you find works for you. Flex through that top foot. Think about breathing into your right hip. One more breath in. press into that standing foot to come back up. And then see if you can do it without touching your foot down to the ground. Come into a quad stretch. Take your right foot into your butt. Knees come together here, breathing into the front of that right leg. Last breath in. Release your right foot. Give a little shake out. And we'll switch over and do that on the other side. Shift your weight into your right foot. Standing figure 4. Don't forget to breathe. And last breath. Press strong into all 4 corners of your standing foot. Come all the way up to standing. Grab the left foot. Bring it into your butt. Knees kiss. Quad stretch. And last breath here. Release the left foot. Give it a little shake out. Let's hit the hamstrings a little bit more and then we're done. So this time, right foot comes forward. Reach the fingertips down and forward. Let your body hang. Your arms can dangle. And then we're going to stand up and do that on the other side. Sitting your hips back. One more each side. Sit back. Right hamstring stretch. And left hamstring stretch. All right. Stand up nice and tall. Take a wide stance. Hands to your hips. Fold forward, hinging at the hips. Wide-legged forward fold. Allow your head to melt towards the ground. Take a breath here. And then let's come into a twist. Left fingertips plant, right fingertips reach up. Right fingertips come to the mat, and we switch over to the other side. One more each side. Left fingertips down, right fingertips up. Right fingertips down, left fingertips up. Left fingertips find the mat. Hands to the hips. Roll yourself up, deep bend in the knees here. See if you can find a goddess pose. Toes out, heels in, sinking down, steep as you can. Thinking length through the crown of the head. Take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Press firmly into the feet to come all the way up. Straighten your legs, straighten your arms, star pose. Reach through the fingertips. And exhale to cactus the arms down your back, opening through the chest. Let's do that one more time. Inhale to reach up. And exhale to cactus the arms. Awesome. Good job, guys. Hope you liked this one. If you did, make sure you comment and tell me which stretch you liked the most. I'm very curious to know. I will see you again tomorrow. I can't remember what day it is, but it's going to be a good one. So make sure you have checked your calendar, you've checked off your progress today, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.